guys, Ancient Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and today I bring you news about this channel, my channel and your channel if you're watching too. So first of all, I am taking some time to make a new video. Why? Because I'm making the first case review on this channel, and since I don't have the methodology done yet, I take always. Everyone takes more time before they have the methodology to do something. So I'm taking more time to do this video. I'm hoping to finish it maybe tomorrow and launching it on Monday. And that's it. That's about the Nox Infinity Neon. Let's watch the trailer. So guys, pretty cool, huh? I guess this video will be not the best, of course, not even close of the best, but pretty decent for my first video of these cases. Now on more serious notes, I want to give you some news about one thing. So I finally have a brand that sent me products. Yes, and this brand is Aerocool. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. At least in Portugal we pronounce it Aerocool, but in English I think it's Aerocool. So thanks Aerocool, thanks a lot for sending me a product, Aerocool. And this is it. This is it, guys. So they sent me a case for the first product. So the Aerocool Quartz RGB with addressable RGB fans, a fan controller, and etc, etc. So I think it is pretty cool, and the Nox Infinity Neon review will serve as a base and as a methodology to do the review of this case. And well, I'm really happy. And I'm really happy, why? Because I really love Aerocool products. And I'm not saying this because they sent me one. I'm not biased. I will keep being unbiased. So the thing is, I already have many Aerocool products. For example, their fans are awesome. In question of price, performance, they are really great. And I always had, for years, I always had products of their company, Aerocool. So look at this. This you see here, this PSU is an Aerocool X-Strike 800 watts full modular. So as you may see, I already had Aerocool products, and these fans are also fans from them because I really like their products. And that's all for today, guys. That's all I wanted to say, to tell you. I'll be launching maybe on Monday the video about the Nox Infinity Neon. After that, I will have the AMD Athlon 200GE, so the $50 APU review. Yes, and after that I'll be launching this Aerocool Quartz RGB case review. So that's all. Thanks a lot for watching as always, and thanks for supporting my channel. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, share this video if you feel like you have to do it. And also you can see the Nox Infinity Neon trailer on my Facebook page, and like the page, follow me on the Twitter, Facebook, blah 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 blah. And if you want to support me otherwise, just go to Patreon and PayPal. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you maybe on Monday. See you soon, guys.